Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to log into Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device or head to the Facebook website using your phone's web browser. Step 2. If you already have an account, tap on your profile picture or tap on the Login button. Step 3. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create New Account. Step 4. Tap on Get Started. Step 5. Add your birthday. Step 6. Tap Next. Step 7. Enter your phone number or email address. Step 8. Create a password for your Facebook account. Step 9. Add your name. Step 10. Select your gender and tap Next. Step 11. Tap I agree to accept Facebook's terms and conditions. Step 12. Confirm your mobile number by choosing either WhatsApp or SMS and enter the verification code. Step 13. You can add a profile picture if you want. Step 14. Lastly, you can add your friends if you want. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into Facebook on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.